Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will be sharing with you about the advantages of using artificial intelligence or simply AI. This is a topic that is very relevant to our daily life because whether we realize it or not, AI is already part of our world. So let's explore together what is AI, how it helps us, and why it matters. So, introduction. What is AI? Artificial intelligence or AI means machine that can think, learn, and solve problems like human. Imagine a robot that can understand your voice, answering your questions, or even give you direction. That is AI. In fact, many of us are already using AI without realizing it. For example, when you ask Siri or Google Assistant, when you ask Siri or Google Assistant something, or when Google Maps show you the fastest way to school, that is AI. That is AI working in the background. Yes, it is no longer science fiction. It is part of our everyday life. Why AI matters today? AI is important because it is used in almost every industry. It makes tasks faster, cheaper, and smarter. Instead of a human taking hours to analyze data, an AI program can do it in just seconds. This helps companies save money and make better decisions. Even in our personal life, AI saves us time, like when Waze automatically suggests the best route, or when your phone keyboard predicts your next word. Without AI, many of the things we enjoy today will be much slower and less convenient. AI in education. So, in education, AI is a game changer. Apps like Duolingo adjust lessons according to your progress. If you are weak in vocabulary, it will give you more practice. This is called personalized learning. AI also helps in research. Like for example, students can use tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT to get writing suggestions, summaries, or even practice ideas. And most importantly, AI makes education inclusive. For example, a student who cannot see well can use text to speech, while a student who has difficulty writing can use speech to text. I'm sorry. So, AI is not just about speed, it's also about accessibility. AI in workplace. In the workplace, AI brings many advantages. One of the biggest is automation. In factories, robots can assemble cars quickly and precisely, which some things human cannot do for hours without mistakes. In office, AI can handle customer service through chatbots, so human can focus on bigger problems. Another advantage is data analysis. Businesses use AI to study customer behavior. For instance, why people like a certain product or which advertisement work best. And importantly, AI creates new jobs. Today, careers like data scientists, AI programmers, and machine learning engineers are among the highest paying in the world. AI in daily life. In daily life, AI is everywhere. On smartphone, predictive text help us type faster, and voice assistant like Siri or Google Assistant make tasks easier. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect disease early by scanning X-ray or MRI image MRI image faster than humans. A good example is Google's AI that can detect breast cancer earlier than human specialists. In transportation, AI powers apps like Waze and Grab, showing real-time traffic condition. Even self-driving cars like Tesla are example of AI. At home, AI smart system can switch on the lights, lock doors, or adjust the temperature, making life safer and more comfortable. AI in entertainment. In entertainment, AI is behind almost everything we enjoy. Netflix, YouTube, Spotify recommend shows, video, or songs based on what we watched before. That is why you often find exactly what you like. Okay? In gaming, AI creates smarter opponents and more realistic environments, making games more exciting. And AI is also creative. For example, there are AI programs that can paint picture, compose music, and even write poetry. Some artists now collaborate with AI to create new kind of art, proving that AI is not only technical but also artistic. AI for global good. So AI is not only helping individuals but also the world. In disaster management, AI can predict floods, storms, or earthquakes so people can be evacuated earlier. For example, Japan used AI to predict tsunamis. In the environment, AI tracks climate change, monitor deforestation, and checks air quality. Farmers also use AI in agriculture. For example, when drones with AI can scan crops and tell farmers when to water or add fertilizer. AI is also important for security, like Bank use AI to detect fraud, and governments use it to track cyber attacks. This shows that AI is not just for convenience, but it also protects and saves life. Challenge of AI. Of course, every technology has challenges. Some people are afraid that AI might take over jobs. For example, cashiers in supermarkets may be replaced by self-checkout machine, and like what happened in US. Another issue is privacy. This is because AI collects a lot of data, our face, our voice, our online searches. If this data is not protected, it can be misused. And finally, AI can sometimes be biased. This is because AI learns from data. If the data is unfair, then AI will also give unfair result. For example, some recognition. I'm sorry. Some recognition system have been criticized for being less accurate with certain Skin tones. This show that humans must guide AI carefully and use it responsibly. Conclusion. So to conclude everything, artificial intelligence has many advantages. It help it helps in education, makes workplace more efficient, improve our daily life, entertain us, and solve global problems. But it also come with challenges like job displacement, privacy, and bias. The key is to use AI wisely and responsibly. As the saying goes, AI will not replace human, but humans using AI will replace those who don't. This remind us that the future will be shaped not by AI alone, but together how humans and work together. Humans how humans and AI work together. I'm sorry. So lastly, thank you for listening to my presentation. I'm sorry if there's many mistakes in that, and hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.